This Christmas is definitely going to be different, but I'm trying as hard as I can to really focus on the positives and to take in the magic of this time of the year and to share it with you all. I still remember the feeling of awe I had the first time I saw one of those snow globes. I think it was a present that somebody gave to my mom, and I remember how amazed I felt while looking at the snow slowly and peacefully falling over the winter village in that scene. We actually didn't have snow where I grew up, so having it in this snow globe made it even more magical. And because I'm trying to really recreate the magic of Christmas through this project today, I decided to create my own snow globe, and for that I used the Ready Set Snow stamp set by Fawn. I didn't focus on any fancy coloring. The project was really all about focusing on all the things that make Christmas magical for me and putting them on a card. I will also be turning this into a shaker card so that I can really recreate the magic of those snow globes on my card. And for that I'm going to use the Ready Set Snow Shaker add-on die set, also by Fawn. With the same set of dies, I also created a little snow hill and the night sky. I added some really quick shading to the snow hill with distressings and a bit of subtle shimmer using perfect pearls. It's Christmas after all, and it's all about shimmer. I wanted to have a night scene in my snow globe as a reminder of those Christmas Eves that I spent with my family as a kid. The darkness outside, the mystery and magic of Santa Claus, the quiet in the streets, even in a busy city, while everyone is gathering around the Christmas table. I really wanted to embrace those feelings, and so I decided to use some fairly deep blue shades for my distressings, and I also added some shiny golden and silver stars using my Gansai Tambi starry colors. Having all these sparkly elements on my card is really going to bring out the magic. I also repeated the same background on the sides of my card base because I really wanted this night sky to extend beyond the snow globe onto the whole design. Looking at it brings back so many memories and so many emotions, and I didn't want them to be confined just within the snow globe. For my images I used a few different stamp sets by Fawn, and everything is listed and linked in the description box down below. I did some quick coloring and I die cut them out, and I'm going to use them for my snow globe. And before we go on, I wanted to let you know that this video is part of a hop with giveaway, so make sure to check the description of this video for all the details and also for a link to the next video in the hop. I then created my winter wonderland scene with Santa dashing through the sky, the moon and a couple of trees, and I tried to keep it simple to really embrace that feeling of calm and peace that I wanted to recreate on my card. To turn this into a shaker, I die cut some acetate and I just used it to back the front of the snow globe. I wanted to use some Stickles glitter for my shaker, so I die cut these foam adhesive sheets with the same die that I used for the shaker front, and this way the foam adhesive is cut to the exact shape of the snow globes and there are no gaps for the glitter to fly through. Cause let's be honest, having to clean up glitter kinda takes away from the whole magic of Christmas theme. So as I said, for the inside of my shaker I used Stickles glitter and these gorgeous mica flakes, also by Ranger, and after sealing everything really carefully, here is my wintry, frosty, magical snow globe. I love it and there is no fallout. And because I couldn't stop at this with shimmer, I decided to add some stenciled snowflakes. This panel here will be the main panel of the design, and I cut it to roughly 4 by 4¼ inches. I'm using some clear glimmer paste which will add lots of sparkle and a little bit of detail to the front panel. As always, glitter is camera shy, but in real life these details really do make a ton of difference. Backing this panel with some black cardstock will also make it pop against the card base and will emphasize at the same time both the focal panel and the beautiful starry sky that we have there on the sides. It's time to add these adorable little mice, and I tried to create a scene that would remind me of the wonder that I used to feel when I was a kid. I felt that the mouse staring up at the sky and looking at Santa, as well as the little one here in his mother's arm pointing at Santa, were just the perfect images to really embrace the feelings I had at the time. And if you're looking for more inspiration for your Christmas cards, here's another video with long font stamps, and here's the link to the next stop in the hop. I really hope this inspired you to put a little bit of extra magic in this Christmas that undoubtedly will be difficult for a lot of us. And as always, thank you all for stopping by and have a great day.